Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 12 reasons why you should use YouTube mobile live videos. This is part of our ongoing series of how to grow your YouTube channel and online business leveraging YouTube live videos. Now, before we get into the training, let's do a quick recap of what we learned so far. We learned why to use YouTube live stream videos, the requirements, 3 ways to do YouTube live stream, the best practices, how to monetize, the best hardware and software, growing your audience, and how to broadcast a webinar with YouTube Live. We also covered how to plan your YouTube Live content, how to drive traffic to your YouTube Live videos, and how to get leads and sales with YouTube Live. If you haven't seen any of these video segments, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen, and you can find the YouTube live streaming playlist where all of these videos are located. Here's what you will learn today: 12 reasons why you should use YouTube mobile live videos. First, you can grow your channel. More people will watch live videos longer than a standalone, and the reason for that is it's because it's part of a community. When you get people coming in and watching with your live videos and you're interacting with them, people are going to love to not only interact with you but with other chat participants, and that's what makes people want to stay on a live stream longer. You get immediate engagement. People love to engage and be part of something, and you can see in real time what people are saying and how they're reacting to live stream videos. Live stream videos, because it's so popular, you can rank fast when you know what keywords you're using ahead of time, so that your live video will show up on the YouTube search engine rankings. Keep this in mind. YouTube is about to overtake Google as the top search engine. And so people are always looking on YouTube to learn how to do something or solve a problem or to be entertained. So if you know what keywords your audience is typing into YouTube and you do a live around that keyword, you're going to get lots of traffic to grow your channel. Not many people go live on YouTube. For most people, they're afraid to do live video because they feel that, they're not perfect enough. Okay, I felt that way too, and what I found, I've been doing live video, especially with Facebook, for the last 1.5 years, and I will tell you, I am more comfortable doing live video because it's more natural. You feel like you're carrying on a conversation with someone rather than doing a script. YouTube live video, another reason to do it is it saves time, because all you need is just your mobile device. And instead of sitting down and spending 20, 30, 40 minutes writing a piece of blog content or putting together a standalone video and creating that video, you can literally write down a couple ideas or a couple key points you want to talk about on a mobile live video, talk about those points, and then give a call to action, and boom, your content is done. So this is great time leverage, especially if you don't have a lot of time to devote building your business. Like I said, you don't need any major equipment. The only thing I would suggest, if you need as far as equipment for a mobile live, would maybe be a little selfie stick to hold on to your YouTube live when you're doing your mobile device, mobile live stream. Have maybe a ring light so you have proper lighting. They have mobile ring lights available, and just a little wireless butterfly mic that you can use, and that's it. And a lot of that you can travel with, and it's not very expensive for accessories, and you can really create a positive interactive YouTube live experience. You can stream anywhere. When you have you're doing it from the desktop or a laptop, you have to pretty much be indoors and be near connections and an outlet. Here with with a mobile live streaming, you just have to be where you have a good Wi-Fi connection, and you can take people behind the scenes or go live on location. Those tend to be super, super popular. You can make money with YouTube Live Mobile. There's immediate share on social media. You can embed live stream on a website or blog. Now with this feature, I have to tell you, you need to be in the YouTube Partner Program in order to have your URL show up. So to be part of that YouTube Partner Program, you have to make sure you have 1,000 YouTube subscribers and you have 4,000 watch hours in a calendar year. So in the beginning, you won't be able to use this feature, but stay with me until the end of this video. I'll show you how you can build up your YouTube channel with watch time and subscribers very quickly. You can receive immediate notifications when people are watching, so you can interact with them, and it also provides you with instant analytics, so you know which live stream videos are really popular with your audience. So there you have it, 12 reasons why you should be using YouTube Live Mobile videos. Did you find this helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And make sure you stay tuned for part 12, as we're going to talk about how to avoid the most common YouTube Live mistakes. Now, as promised, before you leave, if you want to learn really how to grow your YouTube channel, to get a part of that YouTube Partner Program, to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I would strongly suggest you get a part of and take this free training by my good friend and video marketing expert, Mark Harbert. He did this amazing training where he's going to walk you through how to, there's a simple 4-part video sequence when you're designing videos, whether you're doing it live stream or standalone, that will show you how to get more subscribers, more leads, more people watching, and you're going to make money as a byproduct from learning how to do this 4-step sequence. It's going to walk you through everything on how to grow your YouTube channel. And just for registering, he's going to give you a $97 product for free, which is his 101 hot video ideas, where he's going to give you all these ideas of high quality content videos you can do that will get your audience, will build your audience, engage your audience, so you can get a part of that YouTube Partner Program where you can start making money. So to get this training, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/video system. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.